Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to draw on Google Maps. So, for this, you actually need to use Google My Maps, alright? Then once you're signed in, all you want to do is click on Create a New Map, okay? So click on this, and now we'll click on Create. Okay, there we go. We have basically created a new untitled map. So we'll wait for this to load up. So this is Google My Maps. Okay, so we have the map of right now. So if I zoom out, as you can see, this is the whole world. Okay, and you can basically add places to this layer as well. You can draw, you can import data. So if I want to go ahead and draw, let's go to South Dakota. Right here, let's go zoom into Blunt. All right, and then I can come here and click on draw a line. So now I can add a line or shape. So let's do from here, and then we'll connect it like this, right? And if you want, you can also, let's go ahead and connect this. So we have made this polygon. You can name it something as well. So we'll just save it as polygon 1. Shows you it is 0.693 square miles. So there you go. That is the size, right, of this area. Can do a lot of other things as well. You can add a driving routes and stuff like that as well. But there you go, guys. This is how you can go ahead and draw on Google Maps. Really that easy and simple.